Because when we're talking about tessellations, we know it goes all the way around a point with no gaps or overlaps. We know in a whole circle it's 360 degrees, and so I want you to notice that it says is 360. Turn your papers over. The next column, now that we have our interior angles, is can we figure out if it tessellates? Is 360 divisible by the measure of the interior angle? So is 360 divisible? What is the measure of the interior angle of a triangle? Where do I look for that? What is the measure of the interior angle? No, there's a whole column with that label on it. Jenna, what's the measure? Oh, you were just playing through here. What's the measure of each interior angle of a triangle? Please read the chart. What is it? The question is, I need to know where the measure of the interior angle is for a triangle, because I'm in the triangle row. What's the measure of the interior angle? There's a column that says, here's the measure of each interior angle. Do you see it? How much is it? Perfect. So one thing we're going to have to get better at in 8th grade is reading our labels and connecting the dots, okay? Because there's a whole row right here. It happens to have an arrow on it because lots of 8th graders miss it. So don't feel bad, Jenna. Don't feel bad at all. Is 360 divisible by the measure of this interior angle? Does that mean, is that a whole number or not? What's 360 divided by 60? It's 6. Does this polygon tessellate? If so the answer, this is going to answer our question, either yes or no. How many repetitions are needed to go around a point? Well, I happen to have a regular triangle here. I happen to have a couple of them. And because they're regular polygons, I can just put a bunch of them on here. Do we think this shape is going to tessellate with no gaps and no overlaps? Does it? Why, yes, it does. How many repetitions, how many of those shapes does it take to go around our rotation point? So the answer is yes, it tessellates. It takes 6 repetitions of the polygon.